Hey now, how y'all doing? It's that time for yet another episode of Pappy's Dirty Kitchen, yeah! And people, this shit is gonna be delicious. Alright, let's do some chicken fajitas filling, you know? Alright, so we got a hot pan here. What do we add here? We're gonna add some butter. Alright. Get that going in there. And a little bit of oil. Alright, get that going. Now I should have prepped up some garlic, some real garlic instead of powdered garlic. But I didn't. So you folks at home, if you're ambitious, prep up a little bit of real garlic and add it in here. Why is this so frigging hot? I don't get it. Alright, we're going to turn that down. It's already browning, man. Alright. You want it about a medium heat. Alright, so this we're going to add some green peppers, diced, chopped, whatever you want to call it. You know? Alright. Get that going around there. Alright. Add some chopped, I'm using sweet Vidalia onion. Alright. Got that in there. Alright. How y'all doing? Alright, so we're just gonna get these softened up. Now, if you saw my chicken pot pie recipe that didn't have any pot in it at all, but maybe next time, the leftover chicken, I said I was going to do something with it, and, well, guess what? We're doing chicken fajitas, man. Alright, is this finally simmered down? I have it on complete low, like there's two lows on here, and I have on the lowest of lows, and it's still really hot. I hate this cooktop. Because I'm afraid if I don't keep stirring this, it's going to burn. Alright, and to help it sweat it down a little bit quicker, I'm going to add some salt here. Alright. And to this recipe, if you want to add black pepper, feel free to do so, but I'm replacing it with something else because I can't eat pepper. I love it, I can't eat it, diverticulitis. But at least I don't have the diabetes, you know? Could be worse, you know? Could be shooting up my belly with insulin and shit and having crazy prices for that shit, you know? But no, I have to watch what I eat. You know? Oh, that's looking delightful. It's looking delightful. Almost frightful. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've done that bit before. The barroom blitz. Alright, I think it's finally simmering down now. Alright. So, I think the best way to do this is add our water. We got a quarter cup of water here. Add our water. Add some more salt. Add some garlic powder. Just sprinkle it around. You don't want a whole lot. Alright. I'm going to take that off the heat for right now, because this thing's just like uncontrollable. Alright, so we got our garlic powder in there, and then I'm going to add some chili powder. Add some chili powder, about a tablespoon or so. Alright, there we go. Maybe 2 tablespoons, I don't know. I'm gonna add some cumin. Not as much cumin as the chili powder. All right, that should be enough cumin. All right, and then instead of pepper, I'm gonna throw in some heat here, some sriracha. Yeah, yeah, man. Talk about some love, and I think I'm gonna have to add some more water because that's all evaporated. All right. All right. There we go. There we go. That's groovy. All right, we'll put this back on the heat. Stir that all up. Get it all incorporated. That smells and looks lovely. All right, we got that all groovy. I can smell the sriracha. Let's throw in our chicken. I don't know how much chicken I got here, but you can see it or whatever. From my baked chicken. All right, quick, throw that in before it all evaporates and boils off. All right. May have to add a little bit more water, man. Only added a half a cup so far. Anyway, get this all stirred around. That smells lovely. Get it all nice and coated. I'm gonna add a little bit more water, man. So I guess we ended up with like a 3/4 cup or something close to. There we go. Oh, that's Gleet. Gleet then. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Can you see that? Am I in the way? I'm probably in the way all the time, man. That's why I need a camera person, you know? Alright. That just needs to heat up or whatever and incorporate through. Et tu fini, or whatever. Forget. Alright, there we go. Take that off the heat, turn it off, put the cover on. I'm not going to show you how to make a fajita. That's up to you, you know. But with this, you can fajita a lot if you like it. See what I did with that? See what I did with that? Fajita a lot. Yeah. All right. This has been another episode of Pappy's Dirty Kitchen. Yeah! Have a groovy one, people. Alright, I wasn't going to show this, but I got it on a tortilla here, big wrap. Get it in the Mexican section, not the bread section. Bigger tortillas. And I've got some shredded sharp cheese on there. And we're going to wrap that up. I microwaved this wrap. We'll see if I can do this one-handed. That's what I'm attempting to do. Alright. I microwaved this wrap so it'd be more pliable. Alright. There we go. Well, move it over a little bit more. There we go. Alright, now let's bring this to the great Pappy. Let's bring this to the great Pappy. Alright. Definitely being followed by the dogs. Definitely being followed by the dogs. Hey, great Pappy.
Hey.
Here's your chicken fajita.
Thank you. Thank you. Looks good.
You can't even see what's in it.
Las Vegas 22.
Could be a big turd in there for all you know, but I wouldn't do that to the great Pappy. Look at them all around, man.
Oh, get away. Move.
I wonder why Teddy isn't in here.
Donate $3,000. I have one, two, 2,000. Anybody get two? Put them two bid. Anybody get 3,000? Anybody get four? Add three bid. Anybody get 4,000? Anybody get three? Got four bid. Anybody get 4,000? I have $3,000. 4,000. Anybody get 5,000? Now anybody get five? I have $4,000. Donate 5,000. Anybody get five? I have $4,000 donated. Anybody get $5,000? 4,000. Anybody get 5,000?
Did you get to the chicken and everything, or did you
Not
just
yet.
Anybody get 5,000?
just saw a tortilla there?
Give a big round of applause. $4,000 donated to Curing Kids Cancer. Thank you, Nick.
This is riveting internet watching right now, Dad. You know? Did you get it that time?
Yeah.
Well, too hot?
No?
Good spice?
Las Vegas. Thanks for joining us live today
Yeah.
on
Maybe.
Motor Trend Plus, along with John Craven.
On that bite, what would you say? Give that one.
And we have a Norton Classic Rotary.
Well, you gotta take another bite just to make sure, I see.
Rolling into position now on the turntable. This is a machine that's selling at no reserve.
Paul, it was really the Suzuki RE5 in the 1970s that kind of made
Nice
us aware
flavor.
that
It's kind of hot, but
rotary
not
engines were a
overbearing.
possibility, at least.
That's the sriracha.
Yeah.
Kind of fascinating that in the 1980s, Norton decided to come out with a twin.
Well, he's decided to just keep taking bites, and I'm bugging him as far as trying to get a Michelin star on my cooking or whatever, on my fictitious restaurant. But anyways, thanks for joining us again, people. Pappy's Dirty Kitchen.
BS6.
Yeah, goodbye.
Wankel engine motorcycle.